LCD replacement on Lenovo ThinkPad T440 laptop. Thank you, Sir Josh Steffen, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Replacing the LCD on a laptop with a cracked screen is typically worth it, especially if the device is relatively new and in good working condition. It is usually more cost-effective than buying a new laptop and can extend the life of the device, restoring its functionality. This approach allows you to continue using your existing software setup without the hassle of transferring everything to a new device. And it is also more environmentally friendly than disposing of a laptop and purchasing a new one. At PTTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering an LCD replacement service for laptops that stands out for its exceptional professionalism and trustworthiness. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians is equipped with the latest tools and advanced techniques to deliver a thorough, meticulous cleaning. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.